Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to do our volcano experiment. Today you get to be transformed into volcanologists. Those are the scientists that study volcanoes. Do you want to be a volcanologist with me? All right, let's do it. Okay, first of all, before you do this experiment, you might need to find out if you have these materials at your house. If not, don't worry, because I've got all kinds of cool videos that you can watch, that you can, at the end, when I'm done, you're gonna get to watch all these wonderful experiments that we've already done with the kids in the class last year. So you'll be able to watch those videos. But I want you to see what I have for materials first before we get started. All right, volcanologists, are you ready? Good. All right, first of all, we wanna talk about volcanoes. They are like the letter V, okay? If you flip this volcano over, you can actually see the V there, can't you? It looks like a letter V. Volcano starts with the letter V right here, volcano. And the way you sign volcano, you make your letter C hand, form it like this, take your other hand and go up like you're inside the mountain, inside the volcano, and you are the lava. You're gonna come up, poof, and the lava is gonna spill over. That's how you sign volcano. Can you do that? All right, up and over. Poof. Good job. All right, and then vinegar is our other thing that starts with the letter V that we're going to be learning about. Now remember vinegar? P-U, it smells bad. Ooh. Vinegar is what they used to try, something like vinegar is what they tried to give Jesus when he was on the cross, and it does not taste very good. So now when you come up with all the materials, please be sure you have your parents help you with this. I know you're volcanologists, but you do need to have expert parents on the side helping you out, okay? So make sure you do that, because vinegar, if it gets in your eyes, can burn. It is an acid, so you want to be careful with that. It won't hurt you necessarily if you get it on your hands or whatever, but if you get it on an owie or if you get it in your eyes, it can burn. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you what you need. You can use bottles. You can use any kind of bottle you want, like water bottles or other kind of bottles. Or if you want to make a volcano like I did, I used clay, and then I used a funnel. I actually put a clay over the top of the funnel, and around the funnel I actually put a plastic bag. That's why it's plastic, and it holds the water. You're gonna wanna have a tray of some kind, unless you do it outside. You're going to want to also have some food coloring. I have red food coloring. And you're gonna wanna have your baking soda, okay? So when you're doing this experiment, I'm just going to show you quickly how to do it. First, I'm gonna do it in the volcano, and then you guys can watch it on the video, how we do it with the rest of the materials. So here we're gonna put it in the volcano. Make sure I got plenty of, and you know, I don't even measure it anymore. I just put like a few spoons in, and then I put a little bit of, what's this called again? Yep, food coloring. I'm gonna put some of that in there. And then I'm gonna get my vinegar out. And you ready to watch? It's a little bit tricky trying to pour it into that. And if you come close, Kat, you'll be able to hear it fizzing inside. There it goes, our volcano. And we're getting a chemical reaction. That's what this is. It's a chemical reaction between the acid and the base. And so this is different types of chemistry that we're kind of doing here. It's chemical reactions. So we're going to put a little bit more of this inside there. Woo! Put it in the mountain, get it in the volcano. Put a little bit more of this in there. And you know, it's kind of cool because you could make this explode many, many, many times. Watch. Whoa! Oh, got it on my... Yay! That was fantastic. Look at how cool that is. And you know, you can continue to put more of this in, and it'll continue to explode over and over again. I could probably do this about 10 times. It's super cool. Let's do it one more time. And then I'm going to let you watch the videos right after my video. Right now it's connected. You don't even have to pause or stop your video. It's connected. You're going to get to see last year's AM kids doing the experiment with Mrs. Hollis outside. You'll also get to see the experiment inside of a bottle, so you can see what's happening inside the bottle. So I'm going to go so you can watch those videos. For your homework today, what I would like you to do, oh my, I forgot to grab it. Sorry. For your homework today, I want you to make sure that you write in your name packet, write one of these so you get your name written in there. I want you to do the second page of the V packet, this one here, where you write the letter V and then you can color in your volcano. So those two things are name writing packet, one page in there, and the V packet, the second page of V. Continue to read the My Pets book, and you're going to actually make a V is for volcano today. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut your V's out, and then here you're going to actually make a jagged edge. See how I did this with the yellow? I made it jaggedy, okay? And the orange sheet that you have in yours, cut it out, cut the triangle out, but then the top, make it really jagged. And then the red page, you're going to cut it really jaggedy, okay? See what I mean? It's really rough on the top, because what you're going to do is actually make the volcano eruption. This is going to be our fire and lava that comes out of the volcano. So you're going to take your letter V like this, whoop, and you're going to take your glue like this. And you can decide how you want this, if you want to have orange in there first, or red, or yellow, doesn't matter. And you're going to glue that inside your V. You can make it so it's super exploding, make it really tall like this. You can make it so that it's just a little bit of an explosion. You can change the colors around however you want it. And then you want to glue it to the back of your V. So you're going to glue the back, and you're going to put your colors in there like this, the back side. Pretty simple, easy peasy. Flip it around, and you're going to want to make sure it's glued down good like that. And look, it's my volcano. So you're going to make a volcano. Take a picture of this for Mrs. Hollis. And make sure you take a picture of, why don't you take a picture of your letter V page for Mrs. Hollis and send that to me on Seesaw. All right, I will see you later. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy the volcano experiment next. Bye-bye. To do our first volcano experiment, what do we have in there so far?
Baking soda and coloring.
Yep, we put baking soda and food coloring. And what's this stuff that starts with V? What's this called?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. So we're going to put that in and see what happens when we put the vinegar in. You can hear it buzzing. You can hear it fizzing. Whoop, I'm not getting it in very well. Come on. There it goes.
Pink. It turned pink.
Yeah.
It's going in the grass.
It's going to go in the grass. That's okay. I'm going to put some baking soda in there now and see what happens when I put baking soda. Is it bubbling up?
Yes.
It's not bubbling as much as I'm used to it bubbling.
Touch it.
Okay, we'll put a little bit more vinegar in. Let's see. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, it's hard to do it with just one hand. What? Is that exciting?
Yeah.
Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can do it again. Should we do it again? Let's see if it'll go one more time. And we can do this a few more times too. Whoop.
Again.
Was that so fun? You love it? So what did we put in there again? What's this stuff called?
Vinegar.
This is baking soda. And what's this? Vinegar. Watch the vinegar. Hopefully it'll pop up. Again. Wow. All right, we'll do it one more time, and then I got to do it in the regular bottle so you can see what's happening on the inside. This is science, guys. We're volcanologists. That's super cool. Right now we have baking soda and red food dye, and we're going to put more volcano vinegar in there and see what happens. Now watch what happens.
Again.
Should we try it again? Ooh, look at all the bubbles down in there, guys. Look inside. Get down on your knees and look. See how it's working with the chemicals? Okay, we'll do it again. Let's see if it does it again. Watch the bubbles. Watch the bubbles.
This is horrid.
You want to do it again? Okay. We'll do it one more time. Okay, I'll put a lot in there. One more time. Ready? Here we go.
Mrs. Hollis.
Oh. Wow. And Alice were gone last week, and so they didn't get a chance to see our volcano experiment. Okay, so what do we put in first again? Baking soda. And we had some vinegar in already, so baking soda and vinegar. What does baking soda and vinegar do? Does it cause? It causes a little bit of a reaction, an explosion.
Can we try to bottle one?
Wow.
Try the bottle.
Now, I did not bring the bottle out today, you guys. Just the volcano. I'm sorry. That's all I brought out.
Again.
Should we do it again?
Again.
It's really amazing. It never gets tiring, does it? Is it always exciting? Okay. Okay, one more time.
I'm doing a lot.
The bus is going to come pretty soon, so we can only do it one more time, probably. Let's see if it'll come out. Ooh, it's just a little bit. Just a little fizz. Ooh, that's a lot of fizz. Look at that.
That's a lot.
See why who can do the volcano sign for NASL?
That's water.
Yep, do it, Alice. Yep, and then it goes down, doesn't it? It comes out, and then it comes down. And that's exactly the way the lava is. Who can tell me what volcano starts with? Yes. And what letter does vinegar start with? V.